Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best small gas-powered chainsaws that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a homeowner looking to tackle some tree trimming or a DIY enthusiast seeking portable cutting tools, this list has got you covered. You can find links to all the products in the description below, so let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the DXD handheld mini cordless electric chainsaw with battery and gas-powered option. This compact powerhouse is designed for versatility and portability. Weighing just 2.6 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Its ergonomic design features an anti-slip handle and a safety lock, ensuring a secure grip and reduced fatigue during prolonged use. In terms of performance, the DXD chainsaw is equipped with a powerful 900-watt brushless motor and a chain speed of 19.2 feet per second, allowing it to cut through branches and logs efficiently. The inclusion of two 24-volt lithium-ion batteries ensures extended runtime, and the batteries come with overload protection for added safety. This chainsaw is ideal for quick yard fixes, pruning trees, or even DIY woodworking projects. It also comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including goggles, gloves, an oil bottle, and a carrying case, making it a budget-friendly option. However, one area where the DXD falls short is its relatively lower customer ratings compared to others on this list. With a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that while it's a solid performer, it might not deliver the same level of cutting power or durability as higher-ranked models. But if you're looking for an affordable and user-friendly option for light to moderate tasks, this chainsaw is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Seesii Mini Chainsaw 6-inch 2025 upgraded. This chainsaw is designed with ease of use in mind, featuring a slim and lightweight body that weighs just 3.3 pounds. Its compact size makes it an excellent option for women, seniors, or anyone looking for a portable and easy-to-handle tool. It's powered by a 550-watt motor, which provides sufficient cutting power for trimming branches, resizing boards, or cutting firewood. The Seesii Mini Chainsaw's design prioritizes safety. It includes a safety lock that prevents accidental activation and a protective baffle to minimize wood splatter. The high-quality guide chain ensures smooth and efficient cutting, while the rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers convenient portability without the need for cords. This chainsaw is perfect for light to moderate tasks around the garden or workshop. While it offers great portability and ease of use, the Seesii's performance is slightly less powerful compared to other models on this list, which may limit its use for tougher, thicker wood. Additionally, with only one included battery, you may need to purchase spares for extended use. Despite these drawbacks, its combination of lightweight design, safety features, and affordability makes the Seesii Mini Chainsaw a valuable addition to any homeowner's toolkit. At number 3, we have the Tietoc Mini Chainsaw 6-inch with 2 batteries. This model is perfect for gardeners and homeowners who want a reliable and efficient tool for pruning, cutting branches, or even tackling thicker wood. Powered by an 880-watt motor, it achieves an impressive chain speed of 28.6 feet per second, making it one of the fastest in its class. The auto lubrication system is a standout feature, ensuring smooth cutting with reduced wear and tear on the chain. Weighing just 2 pounds, the Tietoc Mini Chainsaw is incredibly lightweight and easy to handle, even for extended periods. It comes with two 2000 mAh mature rechargeable batteries that provide ample runtime for most cutting tasks, making it a practical choice for both home and field use. The safety lock, anti-slip handle, and protective baffles ensure a secure and safe user experience. While the Tietoc chainsaw excels in performance and design, its lighter build might not be as durable as some of the heavier-duty models on this list. However, its combination of cutting power, portability, and user-friendly features makes it a fantastic option for anyone looking to simplify their gardening or landscaping tasks. The runner-up at number 2 is the Kepu Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch. This powerful tool is equipped with an 880-watt motor that delivers a chain speed of 28.6 feet per second, making it capable of cutting through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, with features like the auto oil filling system that simplifies maintenance and extends the lifespan of the chain. The Kepu Mini Chainsaw is lightweight at 2.63 pounds and ergonomically designed, making it suitable for women, seniors, and anyone looking to trim hard-to-reach branches. The two included 21V batteries provide up to 40 minutes of continuous runtime, and the quick charger ensures minimal downtime between tasks. Safety is a top priority with this model, as it includes a safety lock button, protective goggles, and anti-cut gloves. While the Kepu chainsaw is a powerful and efficient tool, its slightly higher price point and bulkier design compared to some competitors might be a drawback for users seeking maximum portability. However, for those who prioritize cutting power, safety features, and convenience, this chainsaw is an excellent choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Seesii Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch. This top-rated product is a perfect blend of power, portability, and user-friendly features. Weighing only 2.62 pounds, it's one of the lightest models on the market, making it ideal for one-handed use. Its powerful motor delivers a chain speed of 16.4 feet per second, allowing it to slice through 5.91-inch logs in just 8 seconds. What sets the Seesii chainsaw apart is its comprehensive package. It comes fully assembled, so you can start using it right out of the box. The dual 2.0 Ah batteries provide extended runtime, and the included fast charger ensures minimal downtime. The package also includes essential accessories like gloves, chainsaw files, and an oil bottle, making it a complete kit for both beginners and seasoned users. The Seesii Mini Chainsaw excels in portability and efficiency, but its slightly lower chain speed compared to some competitors might limit its performance on tougher jobs. However, its lightweight design, excellent customer support, and thoughtful accessory bundle make it the best overall choice for anyone looking for a reliable and hassle-free cutting tool. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect small gas-powered chainsaw for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or thoughts about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.